This is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It has a 6.3-inch outer display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an all-new durable steel hinge. Opening the fold reveals an immersive 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner display. You can watch videos and play games on the large display, or multitask with split screen to use 2 apps at once. Tabletop mode lets you watch videos and take hands-free photos. Pressing and holding the power button gives you access to Gemini to summarize recent emails, plan a vacation, or get info about what's on your screen. Pixel 9 Pro Fold has an advanced triple rear camera system, and you get new tools like Add Me, which makes sure no one is left out of a photo. And with Magic Editor, you can now reimagine your photos. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is powered by the Tensor G4 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and comes with 1 year of the Google One AI Premium plan that includes priority access to new features with Gemini Advanced. To learn more about all our new Pixel and AI updates, check out blog.google.